So, right now we're in Switzerland.
Switzerland. This is not Switzerland.
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay, yeah. Sorry, this is Switzerland.
As you can see, it's a bit different. See, look.
It's quite nice.
Yeah, I told you we got speediness. 5 minutes ago we went to the UK. So guys, which drink shall we get? We got selection here. We got these.
What about that one? What's that?
Oh, this is the Pakistani drink.
Alpha.
Alpha.
Alright, we're going for Alpha, yeah?
And when we get back, we'll do a review on the drink.
Okay. Cool. Just show the viewers the drink. Alpha, okay.
It's like orange juice with bits in it.
Cool. And what's over here?
We got some Java whiskey, sauces, small pieces. You might know, you might not.
Cool.
We got some. This honey.
Honey.
We got honey over there. We're back and now we got the Alpha.
Got this Pakistani drink called Alpha.
And now we're gonna taste it. Oh my gosh.
I've never had this before.
Yo, look at that!
You need to pull it off.
Ready? Yo. Let's try it.
Really good.
That's nice.
Let's try it.
I'm actually not joking, that's nice.
It's got fruit pieces in it.
Yeah. It does but it still stands out.
What's your overall verdict? Should the
8 out of 10.
Should the viewers get Alpha or not?
Well, if you like oranges, then get it. And if you like bits in your drinks, then you can get it. But then if you don't like oranges, you will not like it. And it's not fizzy.
Alright, cool. Right, let's get back on home. We'll do a review of the roti.
Of the chapatis.
Yeah.
We got one pack here and another one at the back.